Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make biotin shake for fast hair growth and glowing skin. Biotin is also known as vitamin H. It's one of the B complex vitamins. Biotin promotes hair growth and gives you soft glowing skin and strong nails. There are a lot of people who take biotin supplements for hair and skin, but I prefer going for natural sources of biotin because our body processes it much better. So I make my own biotin shake for stronger, thicker hair growth and glowing skin. So let's get into making the biotin shake. For best results, take every day for 30 days to see new hair growth. You'll also notice your hair is thicker and shinier. Give this biotin shake a try and let me know in the comments how you like it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest uploads on my channel. Take care of yourself. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.